Hey there. Before we dive into the details of this crash course, let's take a quick tour of the software. You'll see that it's built around a super simple framework we call TALL, which stands for Targeting, Ads, Landing Pages, and LTV. Each of these letters represents an important part of Speed PPC. We've got some great training on all the features of the software that we'll be covering in the crash course and through our help desk, but for now, we just want to show you where everything is. We'll start with the T, Targeting. The targeting section is all about keywords. It's not only a great place to research and generate new keywords, use the keyword tools like the keyword cluster feature, as well as just generally store and organize your keywords for later use in your campaign builds. Next up, we have the A, which stands for ads. The ads section is where you'll store all your ads you create, whether you're making them separately or during the campaign building process. Plus, we've got some cool AI tools to help you write and rewrite your ads and give you recommendations on how to make them more effective. Thirdly, the first L represents our landing page section. Landing page performance is super important for high-performing PPC campaigns, so we've got some powerful software to help you optimize your pages. Here, you can run your landing page analysis and get all the info you need to make it convert better. The last L stands for LTV. The LTV funnel map feature lets you map out your sales funnel and find ways to drive more revenue. At the heart of the software is the campaign builder, where you can create incredibly powerful and highly segmented campaigns. This is where it all comes together and you can build out incredible campaigns in half the time. Lastly, we have a whole toolset of competitive research tools to help you find new opportunities and understand your competitor landscape within this research section. So that's it in a nutshell. In our other videos, we'll dive deeper into each section so you can leverage all of Speed PPC's capabilities to max out your campaign performance. Our advice is to complete this crash course before diving into the software.